So in this video, I'm talking about being satisfied on certain body parts. So a lot of people have specific body parts where they can grow bigger than others. They have bigger shoulders or bigger chest or bigger calf muscles. So at the end of the day, when you look at that and you see, oh my gosh, look how big that got. You don't want to be like, you know what, I gotta start growing other spots to equalize that. That's a problem because then you're gonna stop working that body part as big. I keep touching the shoulder because my example is gonna be just shoulders only. So if you have gigantic shoulders, don't stop working shoulders as much as these other body parts just because your shoulders are massive and your other body parts aren't. And you're trying to grow them to all be equal. If you do that, what happens is that you're not working the shoulder as much. So you're backtracking on a specific muscle group. You should never do that. It just means that you have great shoulders, great genetics, or you're hitting that, or just that part is growing bigger and stronger, and the muscle fibers are getting hit better than other body parts. That's simple as that. It's not the fact that you're doing more of the shoulder than the other body parts. If you do everything the way you've been doing, it doesn't equal out every single body part. Like, it's not gonna all be exactly equal. Like, what I mean by that is your left arm could be slightly bigger than your right arm, but that doesn't mean that you should work the other arm more than the other arm now. Like, you do extra 7 reps on one arm and then the other one you just go, oh, I'm just not gonna do as many reps on that one. No, you gotta do equal. Everything is equal in the body. And if not, you're gonna be lopsided, you're gonna get hurt, your posture is gonna be terrible, and to avoid injuries at all costs, you should definitely find the balance within all exercises. Never go more on the left than the right. Never do more on one arm than the next. Never do more of a certain body part over the other. If you're alternating like military presses, say that you think that your right shoulder is bigger than your left, opposite way, you just go way more reps on one arm than the next. If you do way more reps on a shoulder exercise than the other one, so say you do 20 reps here and then you just do 15 here because you want the other one to grow more, you don't do that. You do 20 and 20, 15, 15. You equal it out. So that's what I got to say about balance. And never be satisfied with a certain body part. So if one body part looks bigger than the other, don't stop working that muscle just because it's big. But that's what I got to say. And let's stay active and get kinetic.